Looks like it. Idiot.
These guys act like fucking third graders, man. What the fuck, man? Here we go!
Get ready!
Group break 39 is here, son. With Joe. Smoking Joe's gonna bring you home on the group break. Let's go, baby!
In this studio, looking at a guy out here hollering my name. When last year I spent more money on spilled liquor in bars from one side of this world to the other than you made. You're talking to the Rolex wearing, diamond ring wearing, kiss stealing, wheeling dealing, limousine riding, jet flying, son of a gun, and I'm having a hard time holding these alligators down. Woo!
Sub Nation, it's Smoking Joe. I'm going to bring in on this 2017 NT break. It's box 39. Philip's got our list going. There we go. Nice, 5 times. All right, there's our list. Philip's going to print that out. I want to bust this box for you guys. Hell yeah. What? It's a lot different having me up in here than Nate. Sorry that I'm not as good, guys. You get the sub for a moment. I didn't cut that very well, sorry. Hey, hell yeah. What's up, Cindy? I say a lot more than hell yeah, guys. All right. So here we go. First card, Pierre Garçon. Next up, we got Frank Gore to 10. And Donkey Kong Sue. Kurt Warner. Michael Vick. Keep this away from your dogs. Here we go. Curtis Samuel, Chris Godwin, and Darbo. Greg Ward Jr. That's a nice card right there, guys. John Ross.
What world? Is he a Browns player?
He's not a Browns player. Derek Barnett. Ooh. Deshaun Watson booklet. Look at that patch, guys. Hell yeah. That's a nice auto. Numbered to 99. All right. Philip's got our list. Here we go.
I don't see any duplicates, do you?
Looks good to me. 12 times. Philip's favorite number. Hell yeah. And there we go, guys. There's the list. We'll get that printed out and show you the results. What's our next group break? Oh, never mind. Here comes Nate, guys. You're back to the good stuff.
And then we'll do a group break right after this. Here we go, baby. We got order number 11468. Philip Lewis. He wants the nut dragger, but he said butt dragger by autocorrect. We get the point. 7468 hockey. Ooh, what is this? Reichel to 52. Is it how you say it?
I don't know.
Damn.
It's a nice patch.
Yeah, it is. That's Philip Lewis with the butt dragger. And then we got Finest. Did y'all print it? Okay, let me know when you're ready with the next one. I guess I could open Finest and then you could be ready with the next one. Watson booklet. Congratulations, Craig Ferguson. There's our list. All right, let's NT. I'm gonna knock this Finest out, and then Big Joe's gonna come back with another group break. Why don't you give him a raise, Dave? Cookbook. Haven't seen one in a while. What's up, Cannon? Stay jet flying, bro. All right, guys, we are about to shut the site down. We're gonna did we give them 5 minutes yet, or did we forget?
We haven't.
All right, we
Give
get
last call. No.
5 minutes, guys. That's it. Not anything crazy, RC. Not anything crazy. Yes, Nate for a cookbook. Max Fried. Cool. Brian Dozier to 99. Will you pin the site for him? You guys have 4 minutes. No, there are no more NT breaks tonight. I don't think. I think we just did one tonight. We're not greedy, man. We're just doing our thing, man. If we wanted to push, we would, but we're not trying to push. We're trying to balance. Not long at all, man. Are you ready for the next group break? Okay. Ooh, Clint Frazier. Finest Hours Autograph Gold Refractor. Good. Bill, it's 250. Do we have 2 preferred basketball tonight?
Yeah, somehow. I think one was old. And...
Oh, we had been waiting on it or something. All right. Preferred basketball, you ready? Which one is this one?
11.
All right. There you go, buddy. What up, Nate? First time buyer. You wanted the titty tap. Sorry, Tanner. I just saw this, buddy.
What's up, folks? I'm back. Philly Lumpalup's got our list ready. Gonna roll them dice 9 times. Philip loves those high numbers, guys. Big fan.
Not as much as I love you.
Oh, I love you too, buddy. Sometimes we rub beards. There's our list. All right. Preferred basketball 11. right. Let's see here. Guys, the last order's already gone. I don't have it. If we missed an auto, I'm sorry. It was a redemption. Here's pack 1. Okay. Up first, we have Malcolm Brogdon. Then we have a Miles Turner board members jersey. Philip says I go too slow. We have a redemption for JJ Barea. Just his card set autographs. And then a Wade Baldwin rookie jumbo. There we go. Here's our list, guys. 5 times. Philip's really upset. There we go. There's our list. We'll get that printed out and show you guys the results.
We got 11470. 11470. It was Max Fried and the Clint Frazier. What's up, Adam? You doing all right, man? Although it was an extra hit. Was there 3 autos, Gary?
No, well, see, 3 and
Did you look at the base? Double check. Woo! Said there was an extra auto at the end of the pack with Frazier, which is possible with the redemption. Yeah, we'll pull it, man. We'll look. Chris Taylor. Let me see it.
number 2.
Chris Taylor bonus. No, eagle eyes. There you go.
Sorry about that.
It's all right. I missed it too. All right, guys. I think we're good. Go ahead and shut her down. Site is closing, boys. No problem, man. Appreciate the business, homie. Appreciate the business. Now, you guys have a lot of options, man. A lot of hacks out there. A lot of janky copycats. Ooh, Andahar Blue. Boom! Andahar right there, too. Otani. Wow. Nice little box. Syndergaard to 150. Harper Chrome or Finest Refractor. McCutcheon. Now that was a half a box right there. Yeah, I know. We got 3 hits. We've had several boxes. We've had several boxes tonight that were. No, he's done this before. Trout, Paul Blackburn. Yeah, we need to make some more Silvertown or Gold Mine. Braun. Cespedes. Verdugo. Rosario. There you go, boys. Mystery baseball. Don Matson, 11-4. Oh, I got to show the results. Here we go. What up? That goes with the group break. There you go. 11-4-7-1. This is 11-4-7-1. Don Matson. How about Tim Raines? Rock Raines. Hall of Fame, baby. Tyler T. Jack Tap with the full bottle. There you go, bro. How about a Todd Gurley Contenders Rookie Auto, 9/5/10. Tyler T. We got a pack of Luminous. This is Chris. I want that Killian Texas titties to grace this pack. Yes, don't we all? Derrick Henry Jumbo jersey. Sutton, Darnold. That was Sanchez. Part of the nation now. Welcome to it, son. Ooh, Chris Black with a savage little plethora of boxes and packs. Chris Black, Mechanicsville, Maryland. 3 Breakers Row. Tribute 3 packs and a prime cut. Let's go, boys. What up, Ron? No more. Yeah, there's a couple more group breaks that have already filled that they're doing. Correa to 50. We're not doing any more. The site is closed. Like I said, man, we do this for fun. We're not trying to push it to the limit right now. We're just having some fun. Luke Weaver, blue to 150. Brett. Billy Williams, Craig Kimbrell to 99. Oops. And Johnny Bench. Chris Black, prime cuts. 5 hits. Those are top tribute. Oh, wait a second. Joe Girardi, Xander Bogaerts, Trout 1 of 1.
Wow.
When Gary says "oh snot," it's serious business. Mike Trout, let's go, baby. I need a magnetic, bro, like a 130. You got a mag over here? Let's go through the rest. Archivon, Schwarber, and Joe Girardi in the same pack. Wow.
When last year I spent more money on spilled liquor in bars from one side of the
Trout
store to the
101,
other
dude.
than you made. You're talking to the Rolex wearing, diamond ring wearing, kiss stealing, woo, wheeling dealing, living
Wow.
jet flying.
That's insane.
And I'm having a hard time holding on to the
Chris Bryant, Bowman Chrome Rookie Auto, 9/5/10. How about a Derek Jeter Sweet Spot Signature Auto? Here we go. Jeter, Bryant, and Kobe. Damn. To 99. Yeah. Kobe, Jeter, and Chris Bryant. Wow. All right. Chris Black, congrats, bro. Next up, we have a box of Preferred Basketball. 11475, Conrad, North Carolina. 11475. Rick Fox. Markieff Morris. 11. Joel Embiid. So 2 more group breaks. Preferred football and basketball. Okay. You got football teed up. Okay. We're gonna do this luminance, and then we're gonna do a group break of preferred football. Getting there, boys. Getting there. Kelsey. McFadden to 75. Prime time. Chubb, rookie. Coheen, that's a good card. To 125, JT Barrett. What do you mean? I have no idea what he's doing. Rather than getting the shit kicked out of him when he plays in the. To 75, Michael Thomas. Mahomes. Good one. Mixon. Matthew Stafford. I'll go ahead and open these tributes, and then Joe, you can do a group break of preferred, okay?
Sure.
This is 11477. Tribute baseball. For some reason, I can't get the packs as open as easy as normal. Cepeda. Lindor. McCutcheon. Master Bader. Chris Bryant. All right, Big Joe's going to do preferred football.
Back again. What's up, guys? Philip's got our list ready to go.
11486. We're already opening live.
6 times. If you didn't hear, I'm sorry, guys. He said we'll be opening that live. Here's our list. And we're on to preferred football. Break number 29. Break number a lot. All right, folks, let's go. We got Jake Butt. That's so awesome. I touched the butt. We have a redemption. Rookie Prominent Scripts red, Gary and Conley. Jamal Williams, preferred penmanship to 25. Cooper Kupp, jersey auto to 99. And then a book, we got Mahomes and Hill. Nice. All right. Philip's got our list, guys. 6 times. Poor Philip getting these low numbers. This is a bad night for old Philly. There we go, guys. There's our list. We'll get it printed. We'll have the results up for you in a minute. Hell yeah. Turn you back over to Nate.
We got order number 11478. That's Peter E in the house. Peter E. New York. Let's do it. Football. Multi-sport. Dan Marino auto patch. No, how about a Peyton Manning? Peyton Manning jersey auto, Dan Marino. Duel, baby. Let's go. Bam.
Get ready. We on tour and we're doing
This is multi-sport. Hell fucking yeah. AP, baby. What a one, son. Boom. Damn, what a couple boxes.
When last year I spent more money on spilled liquor
No, I can't invoice
bars from one
for anything
side of the
tonight. We're
road
not
to the
doing
other
more, man.
than you made.
We can do it on Monday. AP's nasty. I don't even think we're doing preferred by the box.
Wheeling dealing, limousine right, jet flying, son of a gun, and I'm having a hard time holding these alligators down.
Preferred, baby. Here we go. There's the preferred. Luminance. Jack Tap. 11480. Flacco. Deshaun freaking Watson to 5. 1 pack, son. Woo! Let's go, baby. Wow. 5 of 5, 1 pack. Wow. Sweet. Sweet. All right. We got Mystery Puck. Nick W., Denton, Texas. 11481. Mystery Puck. Devin Dubnik.
Been goalie for a while.
Nice. He's an all-star. Look at that. The 1-pack wonder, yep. The 1-pack wonder, boys. And then 2 luminance. Chester Winston. Minka.
They like to turn those cards.
I know. Denzel Ward's pretty solid. 249. Wow. We got 11482. Tyrone for my wife Shannon. She pressured me on this one. Drag your nuts all over the box. All right. For you, Shannon. There you go. That's what's up, Tyrone. This guy's savage. 11482, boys. 11482. Coleman, $2.99. Bruce Smith is an insert. Derwin James and Josh Rosen. I think a box is $119, something like that. Packs are $29.95. Deontay Foreman to 99. James Washington, 225. Lynn Dawson. Next up, we have Joshua New, Titty Tap. Appreciate the business, buddy. Kaboom, Tim Duncan. Kaboom, Tim Duncan. Those things are rare. Breakers Row Hockey, Jacob V. Austin Matthews, 9.5 Young Gun. Very nice. Here we go. Jonathan R. The no-nag tag. Needs a hell yeah, Joe.
Hell yeah.
He wanted a Gretzky. He wanted a fucking Gretzky, and we got it.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, son. Welcome to the nation. Anybody else want anything nice? Inked sweater, on card, jersey auto, son. Drag your nuts, Johnny boy. Let's go.
Is that John Rondello?
Yeah.
Remember he wanted the Trout a couple, like last week?
That's unbelievable. Yep. What?
I like his reaction.
Oh, I bet. That's what's up, Jay. Congrats, man. I'm not going to go through the base, guys. I'm just not going to do it anymore. Malik, no reason to. Jaceki, Bradshaw. Yeah, I did, Justin. Pettis. And Deontay. Pretty solid. Are we doing Spectra? I like opening those, yeah. Colin Scherer. Colin S. Tillman and Titty Tap. Tillman and Titty Tap. Here we go, bro. Winslow, Anthony Davis Pink to 49. Steph to 49. Rose. Scal Labissiere, Tomas, Cheek Diallo, Torian Prince. Look at this card. Tyler Eulis Gold to 10. Beautiful. And then Damien. Pretty solid. Nothing crazy in there. Is there extra hit? Yeah, there's Frazier rookie to 254. Stanton Azuna to 25. And then Craig Kimbrell. That's our last.
Yep. Hey, looks like Diaz. There's something about Mary.
I know, he does. You're right. Did you help Gary for a minute?
Yeah.
Yeah, he does. Luminance. Joshua Johnson. We'll do the single packs and stuff later. Yeah. 11489. There you go, buddy. Not any Danny Whites that I know of. I have a belly button. My favorite. McCaffrey. Yeah, the site is down, man. We're good until Monday. We'll reload on Monday. We got to order a bunch of stuff on Monday. Wednesday we'll have a big show. NT Collegiate. It's been a minute. Stuff's good. Manning. Oh, snap. Look at that Wentz. Holy
Wow.
crap. CJ. Webb Henson Golf. Oh my gosh. 1 of 1. Stacy Coley. Look at that patch. What a box. Ingram. And a Dalvin Cook RPA. Damn. That's crazy. He signed part of the jersey. Wow. What a freaking box. Josh, we have one more group break for him, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to hammer these. I'll tell you what, I'll do these 2 packs and then we'll do the group break, okay, guys? It's preferred basketball. What number? 12? Okay. We're going to do preferred group break 12. Matter of fact, just help him with those. I'll do 12, okay? That way we can get out of here. Kyle Lauletta, on-card draft day. Christian Kirk, is this 2 packs? Yeah. Ray McLeod, $2.99. All right. Panini Preferred Basketball, box 12. Here's our 4. All right, let's roll. 4 times. We did 486 live. We did do 11486, right, Gary? Yep, we already did it, buddy. It'll be in just a minute. The video will be up. You can take a look, but we just did it. Let's see what we got here. This is the group break, box 12. First hit, Joel Bollenboy, rookie jumbo, nice to 10. How about Denzel Valentine? Oh, there's a booklet or something. Oh, it's a 101. Hershey Hawkins. Dwight Howard, Hardaway, and Schroeder. All right, let's see what we got. 11 times.
I don't mind it when it doesn't take 30 seconds every round.
Yeah, no kidding. There you go. Nah, John, I don't want to trade for the Gretzky for a McDavid. I'm going to hang on to my McDavid. There you go, buddy. There's the group break. Here's 11493. Andrew Luck, Immaculate to 25. We got no receipt. 11. This is 11494, boys. Jonathan Shepard. Appreciate all the business too, guys. You guys are savages. You'll add. We'll work something out, John. Who is this? Mr. Tiger. There were 2 of those, and both of them are now gone. Stan the man still in there. I like the inscriptions. Last box of the night. Chris G. Here's our group break results. There's the group break, buddy. All right. Last box of the night. 11495. Sure did, Jonathan. Yep, I remember your name. It'll be over in just a second. Here we go. Famous Jameis. Tanner Lee to 249. Roquan Smith to 249. John Kelly. Edo Smith. Geis. Stephon Diggs Jumbo Patch. There it is, boys. That was 11495. If Flawless didn't fill, we'll either break it Monday or we'll refund on Monday, Scott. If it didn't fill, if there's still spots left. Everybody, as always. Can you get, what do you mean, Jonathan? Did we open 491 and 493? 491 and 493?
493, I don't know. I don't see 491 unless one of these other guys got it. 493, yes.
Okay, what was 491?
Andrew Luck was what he got.
Okay.
493.
Okay.
Group break.
It's a group break, buddy.
Yeah.
Of what? Flawless?
Yeah.
Okay. It'll be Monday. We haven't sold it out yet. It has to sell out. We'll break it on Monday once it fills, or we will refund on Monday night. So that's how we'll roll. Everybody, y'all are savages. Stay jet flying. Deuces.